Hello, it's me, Traveling. Welcome to my channel, and today we're here at the fjord, at the water here. We're here because of a different reason. You see, this morning it rained, and in the evening it will rain as well. And for this day, we decided not to do in hiking or something like that. We decided to do an activity. Activity number one for such weather: fishing. It takes some time to learn, but you just need a couple 30 to 50 attempts, and then you're good. Look, I catch the fish. Close to the fishing area, I found this gigantic frog statue. It's here because at the lake here, it has one of the biggest toad populations in the whole of Europe. A lot of accidents happen around here because frogs can go from the living area to the playing area. So then they decided to build a kind of bridge here, and now the frogs can pass here peacefully. Another activity when it rains is grilling. Oh yeah, here's my fish. Finally, the fish is ready. I'm very excited to try it. The next activity to do is when there's bad weather for hiking, is to go swimming. Here you can swim like walrus in most of the lakes in Norway. But here's the catch: they're all cold. Even for the warmer ones, it's still very, very cold. I tried to swim here. You will see it later, that video. You can also go in this one water. There are a lot of swimming pools around Norwegian towns, well, large towns and cities. But here, this lake is very large. if it's a rainy day like today and want to do an activity, you can. A lot of towns and cities surround such climbing halls. You can go on one of them. Guess what time it is now? 9 a.m.? 8 p.m.? No, 10 p.m. If you wonder why it's so bright, such late, I'll explain you why. It's best to come to Norway in the summer, and we visited in June. In June, it might be a little colder than August and July, but here you can experience a beautiful piece of nature here, the midnight sun. The midnight sun is created because the axis of the earth isn't very straight, it's a bit tilted. And because the sun just shines straight, at some places it's either completely dark or completely bright. It's a cool phenomenon that exists only in summer. In winter, it's the opposite. It's always dark. But it's still very, very beautiful. But I wonder how I sleep. It's hard. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe.